So this next item here I'm going to show is the AUTOXEL. And if you've ever been trying to I've been switching out my kids' rear view cameras and messing with the radios and stuff like that in the car. And oh my God, it's such a pain taking off all the things. So this, it's sweet because what it comes with, as you can see, it's right here. It comes with all the little tools you need, all the little pry things. So I can use these to pry up those little plastic rivet things that are just almost impossible to do, or you try to use a screwdriver and then you scratch them up or break them off. It comes with lots of little push tools and stuff. So like when I'm running the wires along the edge of the window, because I put the little the dash cams up there, I gotta run the wires all around, and so you can use these things to push them in. It's got all the little rivet things, all the little tools and pokes and things so you can grab it. Extra, even the clipper to do the really heavy duty ones that are on the outside. So this set, got this because definitely needed this because I've been messing up. Oh God, I screwed up the trim on one of the windows, and if I would have just had this tool right here, to be able to poke it through, would have been able to do it so much easier without having to scratch it with the screwdrivers and stuff. So got this kit, definitely good if you're a professional too. Man, you can just take this with you. It zips up nice and comfy and clean, and there you go. It's the AUTOXEL trim kit. Perfect.